You are a mobile auto detailing business, then you have came to the right video, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to grow your business. See, I have clients all through across the US where we are helping mobile auto detailing businesses that offer things such as auto detailing, ceramic coating, even car washes, right? And if you're a mobile type of business going to clients and you want to learn how to generate more clients for your business, then I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. But before I do, if you haven't already, drop a thumbs up on this video if you find it helpful whatsoever. Now, before I jump into the back end and show you exactly what we've been doing, our systems on how to grow our clients' businesses, I wanted to share with you what our clients were currently doing before they started working with us, right? So most mobile auto detailing businesses, you are hustling to get your business going, right? You get your van and you get all the equipments you need, but then now you got to figure out how to get clients, how to constantly get booked out, right? Your calendar needs to get booked out, and that way you're staying busy so that you can grow your business, get your second van, your third van, and maybe possibly even open up your own physical location like what one of our clients did. So when you first start out with your auto detailing business, you are most likely heavily relying on word of mouth, right? One of our clients, he started his business by literally starting with his neighborhood, just going door to door, knocking on people's doors and offering his services. From there, he built up a client base, and then word of mouth came into play. And that's really how most businesses grow theirs, right? So it might sound something similar to you. And another example of how you might be getting current clients right now is maybe you've tried Facebook ads, you've tried Google ads, you've tried running Instagram ads, but you quickly realize that you're, number one, not a marketer, and number two, the leads that you did happen to generate, they didn't really turn into solid clients for your business, right? So with our system, and what I'm about to share with you today is basically a proven solid system that we already have in place that's already working for our clients. And literally, one of our clients is booked out for, he ran ads with us for about half a month, and we actually had to pause it because he was so busy. He was booked out for the next month and a half. And so right now he's actually currently working on getting his second van and hiring more employees, right? It's because you want to be working on your business, not in your business, right? You want to be able to focus on growing your business instead of, having to focus so much on the hard work every single day. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and hop into the back end where I can show you my exact system and how it's been working for our clients and how we've been able to help generate, the new business. And I'm even gonna drop a video testimony for you at the end of the video so that you can watch it. All right, guys. So this is what the back end looks like. Basically, we are a marketing company that has spent close to $2 million in ad spend here. 1.9. We're probably gonna hit that 2 million by the end of this month or the end of next month. So we do have a ton of data. We know exactly what we're doing because we've spent so much time on here, right? And so we use Google Ads as our main source of traffic, right? Now, why do we use that, right? With Google, anytime someone is searching up on Google, they are considered a red hot lead, right? Because they are searching with intent to purchase or hire something, right? You might have used Facebook ads or Instagram ads before, and and if you have, you know that, or if you worked with another marketing company that's ran Facebook ads for you, then you know that you had to, put up some type of crazy offer like, we'll give you a free wash if you order one of our auto detailing services or something like that, right? And you get a lot of leads that are tire kickers, and they're usually not the highest quality clients that you want for your business, right? So what we do is we do something a little differently. You might have ran Google ads in the past, but we do something a little differently here to make sure that you're able, in a position to grow your business. So we know that Google is the #1 search engine in the world. And when people are using this platform to search for something, they have high intent to purchase or hire, right? And so we use this as our main source of traffic. And what we do differently and what separates us from probably 95, 99% of other marketing companies out there is that we implement, number one, a high converting landing page, and number two, a unique call tracking system. Now, we implement these two systems into your marketing campaign for our clients, in order for us to track everything and in order to convert the traffic that we generate for you into actual leads and clients for your business, right? So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what the numbers look like and the results for our clients here. And as well, I'm gonna show you a video testimony from one of our clients. So as you see, we spent close to $2 million in ad spend. We know what we're doing. We know what we're talking about, right? So this is what my office looks like. Now I'm gonna jump into the back end here, or actually jump into right over here. So here is the dashboard of our unique call tracking system. Basically, all of our clients have access to this dashboard where they can log in and track exactly how many leads we were able to generate for them. But not only that, you'll also be able to listen back on the call recordings, right? So these are all legit leads that are calling you, looking to hire you for their services. And so within the past 30 days, guys, I mean, if you are still just working on 5, 10 cars a week, right? And you want to grow your business, you just don't know how. Look at how many phone calls we were able to generate for our client within the past 30 days, right? 61 phone calls from actual leads within your area of, whatever area you're targeting. And these are people calling you, right? You don't have to, reach out to your leads, right? Because I know if you ran Facebook ads, Instagrams in the past, they fill out a contact form. That contact form gets, either emailed or texted to you, and then you have to call the lead up, and the lead doesn't pick up the phone call. Now you guys are playing phone tag, right? And it just wastes a lot of time, right? So what we do with our system is that what you see here are all, calls from actual leads calling our clients. So these are all inbound calls, and it makes things a lot easier, right? With our high converting landing page. So what happens is the lead calls our client, and all you need to do is pick up the call and book that appointment to, whenever you are available, whenever you want to schedule out, right? One of our clients, like I said, is scheduled out for the next month and a half. So he is really busy. I'm gonna show you his video testimony. It's just nuts results what we're getting for our clients here, right? So as you can see, 61 calls. I mean, these are people calling for, all types of services, right? Ceramic coating, wash and wax, auto detailing, things like that. Whatever type of jobs you are trying um, to generate or to get, we can target that for you, because we can target very specific types of jobs on Google, right? Whatever people are searching up within your area, we're able to show our ad to those specific people. And from there, with our unique call tracking system and a high converting landing page system in place, we're able to generate that at a high converting rate, right? So this is the results, right? We're generating 61 phone calls. If you are not anywhere near that, or you want to achieve that, you need to implement our systems, right? And this is our call tracking system that we have in place here. Now I'm going to jump into one of our clients' ad account here, right? And currently, right now, he just wanted to do mobile car wash and mobile detailing. I'm not going to jump into the keywords or anything like that, but he is in a really competitive area here in Orange County, California, right? There are a ton of business out here nonetheless, and he is just crushing it. He is getting, phone calls every single day. And this is the actual ad account from um, from this right here. So the 61 calls came from here. All right. So basically the last 30 days now, my clients always ask me before they move forward, hey, what type of budget should I allocate towards Google Ads, right? Because, some of you might not have a huge budget, or maybe some of you just want to start small, starting out, and then, gradually increase later on. And that is exactly what our client did here. We started off with, I always recommend 750 to $1,000, just allocated towards Google Ads. You don't get charged upfront. That's the cool thing and the beauty about Google Ads, is that you don't get charged upfront, right? You're just setting it aside for your Google Ads, right? Because how Google Ads work is they only charge you when someone clicks on your ad, right? So let's say, I'm a marketing company that has no idea what I'm doing, but I set it up for you, and I don't set up anything right. If people don't click on your ad, you're not spending any money, right? So you're only getting charged when someone does click on your ad. And when someone does click on your ad, depending on the area, right? Depending on where you're from, where you're located, how competitive the area is. This client's area is a little competitive just because we're highly populated here, in the Irvine, Newport Beach area. A lot of people are looking for that type of service, so it's a little bit more competitive. But Nonetheless, I mean, this client's only looking at about $5 on average cost per click. CPC just means cost per click. So every time someone clicks on this person's ad, on my client's ad, they're only getting charged about $5 per click, right? But let's say that lead turns into a client, and you go out to detail this client's car, it's already $200. And what oftentimes happens, and my client tells me all the time, is that he'll go out to do one car, and then the client's gonna be like, hey, I got 3 other cars, can you work on that as well, right? Because people who are looking for mobile auto detailing services, these are type of people that value their time, right? And people who value their time means that there are probably, they're more conscious of their time, meaning that they're more affluent clients. So when you go out to do one car, they're more likely to have more than just one car, assuming that you do a good job. Not only are you going to be able to work on their other cars, but they're also going to send you referrals, and your business is going to explode even more just from that, right? So not only are you getting clients from the ads itself, but you're building up that clientele. You're in these neighborhoods, right? And these clients, your new clients, are referring you out to their friends and family and things like that. So a lot of things come from, just this ad, right? It's more than just your first wave or initial clients that you get from the ad, right? It's the aftermath, right? The second wave, the third wave that comes from referrals, and you just being seen in neighborhoods and things like that. So super cool stuff. Now, what this budget is, right? It shows right here that this client spent, let me look here, about $1,081.40, right? Now, so for some of you, it might sound like a lot, but like I said, the cool thing about this is that you can allocate whatever budget it is that you feel comfortable with, right? Depending on how aggressive you are, depending on how many cars you are looking to work on, how much you want to grow your business. And that's something I can consult you with. If you need help with it, you can schedule a call with me. That link is in the description below this video. So, if you don't know, how much to allocate or how to set any of this up, me and my team can definitely consult you on that, help you out by identifying, your area, your location, and what you're looking to do with your business, how much you're trying to grow. So, by hopping on a call with me, I'm going to be able to break all that down for you, and then, give you a suggestion on what amount you could allocate. So no worries if, you don't know yet, or this might seem like a lot to you starting out. But at $1,000 is a pretty aggressive amount for any mobile auto detailing business. Like, for example, our client here, he spends $1,000 on ads now, but right now he's actually, like I said, number one, his business is just crushing it, right? At 61 calls. And then the second thing is that he's getting so much business that he's actually working on opening up a physical shop here in this area, right? So super cool stuff. But you can start anywhere between $500 to $1,000, right? Depending on, like I said, how aggressive you want to be, and things like that. You can test out the waters and then gradually increase your ad budget as you get more comfortable, as you're able to accept on more jobs, right? All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you that video testimonial that I promised you at the end of the video here. This is Slav. He is located out in the Bay Area, San Francisco, Northern California. And when he first started, before he started working with us, he was working on about 5 cars per week. He wanted to grow his business, and he ran ads with us for about half a month, and he had to pause it because he was just so busy. He's booked out for the next month and a half, and he's gonna tell you in the video testimony. He's actually now working on getting his second van, hiring more employees so that he can accept on more jobs. He's just crushing it, and he's one of the few clients that we're crushing it for. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start his video testimony.
Hello, my name is Slav and I'm the owner of SNE Auto Detailing. We're a company that provides mobile detailing services here in the Bay Area. And I've been working with Jordan for about a month now. Prior to working with Jordan, I was mainly getting customers from word of mouth and Instagram. And I was doing about 5 to 8 cars a week, and I was at a point where I was looking to scale that. And that's when I came across Jordan, and we talked sometime mid-June. And I told him that I was trying to go to about 10 to 20 cars a week. And at that point, he gave me advice as far as how to reach that goal, which was straight to the point. He knew what he was talking about, and definitely educated me on all of this. And then we started running ads beginning of July. And as far as getting a return on my investment, I wasn't really concerned about that based on the results that I saw that he was getting for other local businesses. But so we started running ads like beginning of July, and we're actually halfway through July now, and I'm booked for the entire month, and I'm booked into August. So I went from doing about 5 to 8 cars a week to doing about 10 to sometimes 25 cars a week, which is at this point we're growing at a rate that I didn't really expect. So we're going to be expanding in the next couple months, adding a van, adding employees, and I was, like I said, I was very pleasantly surprised. And Jordan has been really great with communication, always timely responses to emails, phone calls, texts, always making sure that my needs are met, always making sure we're on the same schedule, if that's double checking and confirming everything. And it's just really great to work with Jordan. And if you're a local business looking to expand whatever industry you're in, I would highly recommend Jordan because, like I said, you get very instant results. And I actually, like, there's no way I could even imagine to get this type of results in such a short period of time. And if you're a local business, like I said, I would highly recommend you talk to Jordan if you want to grow your business. Thank you.
All right, guys. So you guys heard the video testimonial from Slav himself. So when he actually texted me that video testimonial, here's what he also had to say. You notice that it was late at night and he was a little tired from the video, as you could tell. But here's what he had to say. Here's the video, brother. I sound tired as heck because you got me working 12-hour shifts, right? So, I mean, he's taken on a lot of jobs. He's getting tired, and that's how he's able to now get a second van, hire more employees, and free up his time a little. Not only free his time a little more, but also accept on more jobs so that he can continue to crush it in his industry, his business, his area, and scale his business. So if you are looking, if you're someone, a mobile detailing business, automobile detailing business, and you're looking to scale, you're looking to work on more cars, generate more clients, fill out your calendar, then schedule a call with me, book a call with me so I can kind of get to know you and your business, your goals a little bit more. I'd be able to suggest recommendations, what we can do to help you grow your business, free up your time, and whether it's getting your second, third van, or maybe getting up your own physical location, things like that. We're able to help you grow your business. And as you can see here, we're just crushing it for our clients. We've showed you the back end. Um, how much our company has managed as far as like ad dollars on Google Ads for our clients. How much our client is spending a month, which is $1,000, which is pretty aggressive, even in a competitive area that he's working in, and we're just still crushing it for him, right? And then how many phone calls we're able to generate within the last 30 days, right? So, and you were able to also see how many calls we're able to generate. 61 calls in the last 30 days. So if you are trying to achieve these type of numbers, and maybe you don't even want to grow that much, you don't need to be aggressive, maybe 20 calls a week or 20 calls a month is good for you. Whatever your goals is, book a call with me, we'll talk about it, and then we'll be able to come up with a solid game plan so that we can fit the campaign and whatever it is that we can build out for you so that it fits your needs, right? So that's the most important part, is making sure that you are happy and what you're trying to do so that you can achieve your goals, right? So this is all the back end stuff. We are the real deal. This is exactly what we do. We have clients, we got testimonials and all that stuff. So if you are interested in growing your business, go ahead. There's a link in the description. You'll be able to schedule a call with me, and then we'll be able to go over all the good stuff. Any details, questions, concerns you may have, I'm more than happy to hop on a call and answer them for you. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful to you whatsoever, whether you decide to move forward or not. Hopefully this shine on some light, to get you to grow your business, right? Using the power of Google Ads, high converting landing pages, as well as a unique call tracking system in order to, get your calendar booked out and get you busy, right? So all the resources, information that you need is going to be right below this video in the description. The links are there. Schedule a call, book a call with me and my team. And I hope to, and I look forward to, getting to know you, your business, understand your goals and things like that, and help you get to wherever it is that you want to be. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful. Drop a thumbs up if it was. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.